Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to do some racing. First thing we're going to do, Avery, we're going to race that. I'm going to race a tape measure. So let's check it out, see what we got.
So why do you think the RV will win against the tape measure?
Because it's got a lot of more power. It's got an engine, and that's not got an engine.
So why do you think the tape measure will win against the RV?
I think the tape measure will win because it adds up more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this tape measure out. We'll start right there. You wind the car up. Wind it up as fast as you can. Alright, so whenever I say go, you let it go, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, the RV!
How do you feel about this win against the tape measure? How do you feel about the tape measure's loss?
Well, it was a tough one, but hey, we give it all. It just didn't add up. Got another race now, so we have the RV versus the belt sander.
Belt sander!
All right, come here. All right, you put this back here.
Do you think the RV will win against the sander?
Well, that has an engine, but my engine's bigger than the sander.
I think the sander's gonna take it. It's got more grip on the racetrack. It's gonna take it.
A little birdie told me that Mr. Rhett thinks that your RV is weak. How do you feel about that?
My RV will win!
We'll just see about that. All right, here goes nothing. 1, 2, 3, go.
Well, I didn't.
All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. All right, so where we have it, comment down below what you think won. Who do you think won, the belt sander or the RV? And remember, just for fun,